Hi everyone, it's Karen. I'm at one of my favorite relaxating spots close to my home by the creek, Fishkill Creek. We haven't had much rain, so the water level is really low, but I can't help but notice, and I want to share with you how the water is so shimmery and it just reflects the colors of the trees and the sky. Colors are sparkling and moving. It's like dancing light. And there are people sharing the park here, so you'll hear their voices in the background. And you might also hear some traffic not far away. But in this place of peace, in nature, just fill up with this energy. And I want to show you, I noticed when I looked up, so I'm going to move the camera really slowly, because I don't want to make you dizzy. But when I looked up, and I was looking under the trees, there it is. Look at how the water is reflecting on the trees and on the leaves. Oh, isn't that beautiful? It's like, who would think that a creek would be doing this to the trees? Just look at how gorgeous that is. And now a cicada is joining us. The cicada just told us this helps us raise our vibration. Being in nature, being in awe, appreciating what nature brings to us. It's just all so beautiful. So right now we're looking at the leaves in the tree. If you stare at it long enough, you might not even realize that you're looking at water or you're looking at the trees. And I just love how it looks on the branches. And the big tree over there. So take a moment to breathe. Feel this energy. Feel this love from Mother Earth. And come back down again. Oh, so beautiful. Look at the sky. So blue. And then back down again to the water. It's like, who would think the shimmering water would reflect like that in the trees? So let this energy fill you with peace. Sorry, I just got distracted. A little mosquito was trying to visit me. One more time, up to the trees. Oop, there's my finger, sorry. And then just breathe it all in. And have a beautiful day. Bye for now.